Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 7490. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 7490 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty power supply or battery failure. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement battery or power supply unit, depending on the identified issue. First, let's safely open the device. Begin by turning it upside down and locating the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic opening tool between the seams and carefully pry the back cover off, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that we have access to the interior, we need to identify the faulty component. Look for the battery or power supply connections. If you see any signs of damage, such as swelling or burn marks, that's likely the culprit. To extract the faulty component, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their placements for reassembly later. Use your tweezers to pull out the old battery or power supply unit, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging neighboring components. Once removed, take your replacement component and insert it into the same slot, ensuring all connections are secure. Pay attention to the type of screws you are using and make sure to apply moderate pressure when rescrewing to avoid stripping the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the component, it's time to close up the device. Align the back cover and gently press it down until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tight and secure. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your battery and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods. Additionally, make sure to keep the device clean and free of dust. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.